So let's do a very quick quiz on our understanding of the structure of DNA based on the little sub-lecture that I just gave. So which of the following is correct? So in a cell, A equals T equals G equals C. That's number one. A equals T, G equals C. And this is the number of A's and T's and G's and C's that we have in the genome. Or 3, G or C equals T and G equals A. Or finally, no equivalence. So, think about it, get your answer in your head, write it down if you want to, whatever. And then we'll talk about what the correct answer is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's go. So, does it make sense, given what we just learned about the ways that the base pairs go together, that this would work? So, think in your head, which ones go together? At the Gold Coast, ATGC. So, we would think that that's the correct answer. But let's go through. Well, if you have the same number of A's and T's and G's and C's, if they're all equal, that means your genome is a 4-row kind of deal or something like that. Or just, there's actually no information. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how that would work. But, you know, you have your double-stranded DNA, and it has I should do this differently, but A's to T's, A and T's to A's, and G's to C's, and G's to C's, right? And I'm not sure what configuration would lead to this outcome, but not many. Now, remember I said that AG, but that's pure ag. So, next question. And so obviously, like, that's the correct answer. Because ATGC, all right, at the Gold Coast. Okay, next question. If I can erase this. So, which out of A, T, and G, C which are purines, which are pyrimidines, and how many rings do they have? Think about it. Which are purines? Okay, so ATGC, which are purines, which are pyrimidines, and how many rings do they have? Ready, set, go. Let's get the answer. So, what was our mnemonic for this? How did we remember this? Well, let's think about it. Pyrimidine, purine. Purine has 2 syllables. And I'm just giving you mnemonics here because that's how I learn things. And I think it's a really good way to memorize stuff. So purine has 2 syllables, which means your nucleic acid will itself have 2 rings. That's a horrific drawing. And we're going to see in a little bit more detail what these nucleic acids look like, but I suggest you Google it in another window if you get the chance. But purines have 2 syllables, and therefore purines have 2 rings. And pyrimidines are the others, and they have 1 ring. Pyrimidines are the other ones. Okay, and now, out of A, T, G, and C, which are which? Well, as I said before, we can just think about agriculture and how pure it is, and the cows running around and it's having a great time. You just remember Ag is pure, and that's the best mnemonic I have. I hope you can find a better one. Put a comment if you can find a better one for me, please. But Ag equals purines, and T, C, and U are pyrimidines. That's a Y. And that is our little quiz.